On behalf of the athletic department, the Board of Education, the high school administration, Jahai, we'd like to congratulate you and wish you the best of luck. Don't forget about us. We're family, all of us.
We're very proud of you. I do want to emphasize, not only as an athlete, but also as a student. You've been a phenomenal student for the 4 years or the 3.5 years that you've been here. And in no small part did that lead to you being able to do this, right? When coaches come through, the Chickens will tell you I coached football for a long time. They want to see the transcript first and foremost before they even talk to you. So to be able to handle your business on the field and in the classroom is truly special. And I know mom's behind that, dad's behind that. So congratulations to all of the people that made this possible. The coaches, the parents, the families. None of that's possible without you guys. So again, we look forward to hearing of all the great things that you were going to go on to do. You'll be talking.
Don't worry, I'm not going to get emotional with you. I am going to get emotional. It's hard not to with this guy. When he first came in here, he didn't look like this. This grown man right here was not the guy that walked through those doors 3.5 years ago. I got a skinny, very determined boy. Alright? And what grew and matured was this man right here. And it was a lot of hard work. And not just the hard work out on that field or up on Green Acres. It was in that weight room as well. Haven't seen anything like that. So that's my demand for you as you take your next step. Continue showing Bowling Green stuff that they ain't never seen before. The mat, stuff they ain't never seen before. Everybody in the world. And continue with that. Man, it has been an honor to be your teacher, your mentor, a guy that you trust in this building. But it's been a pleasure being your coach, man. I'm proud to be your coach. I love you very much, man. I'm very proud of you.
And what I like the most about the journey, Jahai, is it's never just been about you. It's been about us. And all his emotion and everything that he's put into it, his hard work, hasn't just been just for him. It's been for everybody. It's been for the program, his teammates. He's sacrificed a lot, and he's led the way. And the way he's led the way for us is through his hard work and determination. But I love the fact that you left your imprint on this program. So this sort of is like the village here coming together, because all of you, every single one of you had a piece of this, whether it's family, friends, everybody, coaches. I mean, this is all part of what makes Jahai who he is, and it hasn't been easy, but you all are part of the journey. And you guys are all going to make your own mark, but for us, this is a really proud moment to have an early sign into a D1 program. We want to congratulate the family, everybody here, mostly you, Jahai. Very proud of you. You work for this, and I'm very grateful to have you as a player. As Coach Marsh said, we love you.
I just want to say first, thank you to everybody for coming out today and showing support. That really means a lot. I care about each and every one of you. I want to say thank you to the coach for pushing me to be the best player that I can be, always making me remain disciplined. To my family, without you, it wouldn't be possible. All the sacrifices that you made for me in football. To all my friends, I love y'all, man. I'm really gonna miss y'all, man.
All right. This represents the next step. There it is.